Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset. We talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Lucid Motors, and more specifically, the fact that Lucid Motors may have to raise more money. Is this important? How is this going to affect the stock, and how is this going to affect the company in the long term? Is this some big news, or is this just something that had to happen? We're going to be talking about all that in this video, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so Lucid Motors announced that that their deliveries for their vehicles would be starting next month in October. This is huge, and the stock led to the stock rally today on September 28th, as the company is finally in the early, they passed the early innings of just going public and getting their first round of investments and stuff like that, and now they're finally getting going and they're hitting the ground running, and they're going to try and get cars on the road now, which is huge, getting the actual product to their customers. That's a big milestone. So with that, we see a rally in the stock. We get up about 12-13%, something along those lines. Then Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid Motors, goes on and says, hey, we might be needing to raise some more money in order to continue to fund our operations. Then the stock went from up 12-13% to only up 6%, which is still a 6% run in a day, which is still pretty solid. But it's of course not that the 2 times that, which was the 12%. However, I think that this is important to know. The fact that Lucid, as a newer company, is probably going to raise money a few more times. And yeah, they said, oh, I think that this money will carry us over until 2022. But I think that they're realizing, hey, if we want to stay competitive, if we want to catch up to Tesla, if we want to stay competitive with the other car makers who have a lot more money than us, we're going to need at least a decent amount of money in order to accelerate the amount that we can grow, accelerate what we can do and how fast we can do it. Because if they can do that, then they actually have a big chance of catching up to these other EV makers and just other auto companies in general. And I think that this is a bullish sign for the company, not a bearish sign. And I know that a lot of people don't like when companies go and raise money from their shareholders, but I think that it's very natural. That's kind of the whole point of the stock market. The point is companies go public in order to have access to a larger range of capital that then they could use to accelerate the growth in their business. It's that simple. That's the whole point of the stock market. It's not there for you to make money, even though obviously you do, because you invest in companies and stuff. But the whole point of it in general was so that companies can raise money, and so that's why the stock market's here. So the fact that people that sold down because they said that they needed more money is kind of ridiculous to me. I'm honestly quite happy about it, because if you guys watch some of my other Lucid videos, you guys know I do want to get it at a cheaper valuation than it is currently trading at. So that's exciting for me. However, I do think that it's kind of overblown. I think that it's honestly great that Lucid wants to raise more capital, as it will accelerate their potential growth, as they will be able to innovate much faster and just take out new products much quicker than they probably had anticipated. And we know with Tesla took money from shareholders a bunch of times to reinvest in their business. And why did they do this? They did this because they knew that they needed this capital not only to survive, but to accelerate their growth and to innovate faster. And this is the only way that Lucid is going to even get close to catching up to Tesla or the other autos, as I said earlier. So I think this is a bullish sign. I'm honestly really excited for this. I think Peter Rawlinson is doing the most intelligent thing for the business. Maybe the shareholders are a little upset about it, but it's the most intelligent thing for the business, as it's going to allow them to finally grow into the huge EV luxury maker that they want to be. And I think that they're going to be even more capable of doing this now that they're going to have actual revenue coming in from their sold cars, and the fact that they're going to have more cash on hand to invest in new potential. Maybe they acquire something small, whatever it is that they have to do, it will accelerate their growth. So I think that this is a huge bullish move forward. I'm really excited for Lucid. It's kind of unfortunate that I sold out of my position. However, I am looking to re-enter once it gets to the level that is reasonable. If not, I'm all right sitting on the sidelines and just giving the news for those of you guys who are still holding on. And let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But before we end this video, I do want to talk about our sponsor. No, I'm just kidding. There's no sponsor. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you guys do want to watch more of my content in the future, go ahead and subscribe. It's free and you get to watch more of my content. So if you did enjoy this, go ahead and do that, and also smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I hope you enjoyed. Also, you can sign up with Public if you want some free money. You know, who doesn't want free money? Go down below, hit the link, sign up with Public, get up to $70 of stock of your choice just for signing up. Go ahead and do that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about Lucid in the comment section down below. Is this a bullish move or just a bearish move? And why do you think that? See you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset.